Hey folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstrations, and we are checking out the Stork Craft Crescent 6 dresser drawer, and I absolutely love this thing. One of the things I like the most is the high quality of the finish on this. Yeah, that's right. You know, I can leave a glass on it. I don't have to worry about a ring. I can change a diaper on it. I don't have to worry about anything. This thing is absolutely fantastic. I picked up the 6 drawer. There's a 4-drawer option and a 3-drawer option. Pick your favorite color. You see it here in white. You can get it in black, espresso, gray, pebble gray, and of course the white that you see here. Now, something I like the most about this is how much additional storage we got for the baby's room with this Stork Craft design. This really gives you tons of storage, and you know, if you've got some empty space on a wall, clean up the entire room by having a nice drawer that you can put your stuff in. It makes perfect sense, but yeah, it's high quality. Dimensions are 16 inches by 53 by 33. It's engineered wood laminate. Like I said, the beautiful design is fantastic. It makes organization easy with 6 spacious drawers to fit clothes, accessories, or toys. Is great for a nursery, toddler's room, kids' room, or just your bedroom, your living room. You can put this pretty much anywhere. It doesn't have to be for kids because this is a great universal design. If you have it in the kids' room and they grow up, it's great in a teenager's room. This thing is going to be absolutely fantastic. It's designed to match all the other great Stork Craft stuff like the crib, the glider, and the changing table. So go ahead, pick them all up. It's great for storing those socks and onesies, burp rags, diapers, etc., etc. But frankly, this thing is good for children of all ages, adults of all ages, and it is serious storage. It's a winner of a Women's Choice Award, but I just like it for everyday use. I'm going to have this in my house for years to come. It's strong, it's sturdy. Stork Craft has 75 years of craftsmanship behind them. And yeah, like I said, it's built to last, tested for safety, and it's great for bedroom functionality. Get the color that you want for your room. That pebble gray is very attractive. The espresso, the gray, and the white, all fantastic looking. And yeah, time and time again, people keep raving about how easy it is to put together, the high quality, the great look. I'm a big fan. So anyway, folks, I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Go ahead, put it in your cart. Adios, amigos.